Welcome back to another book cover review. Today we're taking a quick look at a cookbook from the Greatest Ever series, and this is titled Chocolate: Easy and Delicious Step-by-Step Recipes. So here we can see here on the front some images, stock photography, continuing on the edge here of the binding side, Greatest Ever Chocolate, and the Paragon Publishing logo. This is actually the dust cover, so here on the back we can see here some descriptive text, more stock photography, location where this was purchased, and differences in pricing information, suggest a retail versus how much this was obtained for at the time, and a little bit more on Paragon Publishing. If we go ahead and take a look on the inside of the dust cover, a little bit of more description, background stock photography, and on the inside back of the dust cover, more description and more of that stock photography. So we go ahead and take that off. The actual cover of the hardcover edition is exactly the same as the dust cover. And you see here, nice blue end piece paper used there, title page, and then here are copyright information. This one is a 2004 edition, originally from 2002. Print information, Indonesia, a little bit on note on measurements and other things about recipes as well to consider. Our table of contents. And quickly looking at the back portion, again, there's an index, and you can see here we have lots of photography and then just your type of cookbook style recipes. But total number of pages, including the index, is 256. So just taking a very quick look at one of the books out of the Greatest Ever cookbook series from Paragon Publishing. They do a lot of magazines, so I assume this is kind of a compilation of recipes across their publishing house of publications. And this is Chocolate: Easy and Delicious Step-by-Step Recipes. This has been another book cover review. Feel free to check out other book review media reviews on the channel. We also do unboxing videos, as well as show and tell videos on vintage milk syrup tools and expanded topics. And we also do a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.